Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. In this lesson, we cover two tiny inputs that quietly speed up your whole day inside a session. One lets you run a shell command straight from the prompt without leaving the agent, and the other pulls a real file into your message so the agent works from the actual code. Let's drop into the terminal and use both. Here we are mid-session working on a small app. Let's mix shell commands and file references right into the conversation. Say we want to run the tests without breaking flow. Prefixing a line with an exclamation mark runs a shell command directly from the prompt, so typing bang npm test executes it right here inside the session, no separate terminal needed. The command runs and the output streams back into the conversation. The agent now sees the failing test in context, which means its next suggestion is grounded in what actually happened, not a guess about what might have. Now we want the agent looking at the real code. Referencing a file with the @ followed by a path injects that file's content into your prompt. So writing at src/auth.ts hands it the actual source instead of your paraphrase. With the file inlined, the agent reasons over the exact lines you pointed at. There's no back and forth asking it to open things first, and no risk it's working from a stale memory of the code. You can combine them in one message too. Reference the file, describe the fix, then let a shell command verify it, all without leaving the prompt. That tight loop is what keeps you in the flow. Here's what to keep from this lesson. Prefixing a line with an exclamation mark runs a shell command straight from the prompt, so you never leave the session to check something. Referencing a file with the @ injects its real content into your message, so the agent works from the actual code, not a paraphrase. Combine them in one message to reference, fix, and verify in a single tight loop that keeps you in the flow. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 22, where the config command opens the settings editor behind Antigravity.